Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. How are you? This is very important chapter you know already. This is integration chapter. So integration chapter, this is 6E exercise. We are going to find the solution in that section 2. Okay, now start with the first question. I uploaded already section 1. Please go through there, watch that one. And after that come this one. So it is very important. Here it has 4 questions. 4 questions are very important. Okay na? Now starting with the first question. So मेरे प्यारा दोस्तों start with the first question here. Like given question is integral dx divided by 6x square minus 5x plus 1. So actually this question is given. Okay, okay. So in this we'll do one thing. Dx divided by 6x square minus 5x plus 1 is there na. So we'll do like what we can say factorization of this one. Okay, denominator integral dx divided by. So factorization if we do though it will become 6x square minus we have to get how much we have to get here 5x no minus 3x minus 2x will write to 2x plus 1. Okay, here integral dx divided by if we common 3x from these two terms, so it will become 3x into 3x will go, so it will become 2x will come, and again minus 1 will come here. Here minus 1 I will common, so it will become 2x minus 1 will come here in the denominator. So it will become, I'm writing here from step by step. So integral dx divided by 3x minus 1 into 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 will come here. Okay, but this is different like factorization of this one. Okay, so after that I will take one thing here. I will do one thing here. Mm, so I will take 1 by 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 2, sorry, 2x minus 1 is equal to a by 3x minus 1 into, sorry, minus b by, okay, we'll take plus here. Okay, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 will come. So after that cross multiplication we'll do, though a into 2x minus 1 will come plus b into 3x minus 1 will come here. So is equal to 1 will get, so because denominator will get cancelled here. So first we take here, put x is equal to 1 by 2 I will take, though it will become, so this is 1 no, so it will become 1 is equal to 4 into 2 into 1 by 2 will come minus 1, so plus b into 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1 will come. Okay, so this will come here. Sorry, this is not 4, so this is a. So 1 is equal to a into, so 2 2 will get cancelled. So 1 minus 1 0 will come plus. So this is 3, 3 2 ja, so 3 into 1 no, so 3 2 ja 6 6 1 2 1 ja 2 yes, 3 1 1 by 2. So b into 1 by 2 will come. So here b is equal to 2 is the answer here. B is equal to 2 is the answer. Now here what we have to find, a value also we have to find no. So a value we have to find, so it will become, I will take, put x is equal to 1 by 3 in the given equation. It will become 1 is equal to a into 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 plus b into 3 into 3 by 1 by 3 minus 1. So 3 3 will get cancelled here. This is 2 1 ja 2, a into 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja how much? 3. 3 means here 2. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3 will come here. Plus this is 0. So 1 is equal to minus a by 3. So a is equal to how much we'll get here? A is equal to minus 3 we'll get. So these two terms we got here. We have to submit in this one and we have to do calculation. Okay. Now this is a question. We got the values of this one. Okay. So here if we submit the values in this one, though minus 3 by minus 3x minus 1 plus b is equal to 2 divided by 2x plus 2x minus 1 here. So this is integral 1 by 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 into dx is equal to, if we submit dx values here, so integral dx, so we'll come like this. So after this what we can do here, uh, so I will do one thing. 3 is a constant here, minus 3 I'm writing outside of the equation. It will become 1 by 3x minus 1 dx plus 2 I'll write outside the equation, 1 by 2x minus 1 dx will come. So integral minus 3 it will become log of integral log of, what will come here, log of 3x minus 1 divided by 3 will come, 3x minus 1 divided by 3. 3x minus 1 divided by 3 will come. And after another thing is come is here plus 2 into log of 2x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 divided by 2 will come. So plus c. This is answer here. If you want to do, you can do more things also here. What we can do here, this 3 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. This is log m minus log n, like log of uh, 2x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1 will come. Okay, plus c. So this is divided by this one because minus is here for this one. You know already log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. So this is no. So in that form I did this one. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Now second question is given that solution here. What is given question, integral dx divided by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2, no? So we'll write is this one as uh, so here we'll take 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, so is equal to a by x plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 2 here. This we will take here. Okay, and after that 1 is equal to what will come here. So cross multiplication, a into x plus 1 into x plus 2 will come, plus b into x into x plus 2, x into x plus 2, plus c into what will come, x into x plus 1 will come. So put x is equal to 1 in this one, so it will become 1 is equal to x is equal to 1. If we take to, so nothing will happen, so that's why we'll take as x is equal to minus 1. So I will erase this one, x is equal to minus 1 I will take here first. Okay, put x is equal to minus 1. So 1 is equal to what we'll get here, 1 is equal to a into this is as a 0 will come, so total a is equal to 0 plus uh, this minus 1, so it will become minus b minus 1 plus 1 minus b will come here minus b, and this will become 0 will come here, c into 0. So minus b is equal to 1. So b is equal to how much, minus 1. Here again we'll put x is equal to minus 2. So for this one x is equal to minus 2, minus 2. So that what will come here, put x is equal to minus 2, so is equal to minus 1. So 1 is equal to in this place x is equal to minus 2, so it will become 0. So a into 0 plus here also 0, b into 0. Here minus 2, so it will become minus 2 into minus 1. How much will come, minus 2 into minus 1? Plus 2. Plus 2 means 2c will come. 2c will come here. And after that c is equal to 1 by 2 will come here from this. Now what we have got, b is equal to we got here, and c is equal to what we have to find, a is equal to we have to find here. Now a will find here like this, x is equal to, put x is equal to 0 in this one, x is equal to 0. So this one, so it will become 1 is equal to a into x plus 1 means x plus 1 will come here, 2 will come, plus b into 0. In this place 0 I will submit, so it will become total 0, and c in the place it will become also 0 here. B into 0 will come, plus c into 0 will come. So 1 is equal to a into 2, 2a. So from this a is equal to 1 by 2 will come. A is equal to 1 by 2. So we have to submit these values in the like given equation. So what is the equation of this one? So this in this one. So 1 by x into 1 x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a is equal to how much, 1 by 2 into x plus b is equal to how much we got, minus 2. Okay, minus 1. So means minus 1 divided by x plus 1, and c is equal to how much we got, c is equal to with this 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into x plus 2 will get. So this will get here. Okay, na? So now what we have to do again here? What do we have to do? So we have to take integration of both sides. Okay. So integral 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 there na, into dx na. So we have to take derivatives like integral to both sides. Here 1 by 2 into 1 by x dx will come, plus here plus not minus here, the minus there. So integral 1 by x plus 1 into dx, and here plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by x plus 2 dx will come. Now what is the answer will again here come will come. Oh, what will come here? This is 1 by, so 1 by x, no, so log x, 1 by 2 into log x will come, and plus, so not plus, here minus there, so this will become log of x plus 1, log of x plus 1 will come here, and plus 1 by 2 into this is log of x plus 2 will come, log of x plus 2 will come, plus c. So this is answer of given question here. Now moving to the next question here. Now third question here, solution. Third question, what is given? Integral 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 into dx. So here we'll take 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 we will take here. So from this we'll do a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by, we'll take plus, okay, b divided by x plus 2 plus c divided by x minus 3. So same cross multiplication, it will become x plus 2 into x minus 3 will come, and plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 will come, okay, and again plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 2 will come here, okay na? So after this what we have to do means we'll do one thing here, is equal to 3x minus 2 will come. So we'll put here what we'll put, x is equal to, first what is there, the values x is equal to 1 we'll put x is equal to 1 in this one. So it will become what will be the answer will come here if we put x is equal to 1. So this is 3x is then 3 into 1 minus 2 is equal to a into this is plus 3. So this is minus 1 minus 2 will come, plus b into it will become 0, plus c into it will become 0. So total 0. This is 3 1 ja 3 minus 2 1 is equal to, so 3 2 ja 6 6a. A is equal to minus 1 by 6 will come. A is equal to minus 1 by 6 will come. So this is 1. Now put x is equal to, what is there, minus 2 will put in this one. X is equal to minus 2 will take. X is equal to minus 2 will take the, what will we get the answer here means so 2 2 3 3 into minus 2 will come, minus 2 there, so it will become, put x is equal to 3 no, so it will become a into this will become 0, so total 0 will come, plus b into in this one x is equal to minus 2 we taking now, so minus 3 here, minus 5, minus 3 will come, minus 5 will come, 3 5 ja 15, okay, 3 5 ja 15 will come, that is plus 15 because both are minus only, and after that plus what is there here, plus c into, if we take x minus 2 so it will become 0, so c into 0 will come. So 3 2 just 6, minus 6 minus how much will come, 2 no, so this is 2, this is b is equal b into 15, so b is equal to minus 8 by 15 will come here, b is equal to minus 8 by 15 will come. So this one is a next question, b value, and a value we got and b value we got here. Other thing we, what we have to get, c value also we have to get here. If we want to c value, the x is equal to 3, if we submit x is equal to 3 though the c answer also will get x is equal to, we have to put 3 in this one. So if we put 3, x is equal to 3 though, so it will become 3 into 3 minus 2 is equal to in this, in 3 submit though it will become 0, a into 0 will come, plus b in this also, b is equal 3 submit though it will become also b into 0 will come, plus c into if you submit 3 though 3 minus 2 2 will come, 3 plus 2 5 will come here, 5 will come here, this 5 to ja 10, 3 ja 9, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 2 how much, 7, here c is c into 5 to ja 10 no, so 10 c will come, c is equal to 10, 7 by 10 will come here. So three values we got, okay, we'll submit in this one. So what are the values we got? Now what the values we got, a is equal to, b is equal to, and c is equal to, a is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6 and b is equal to minus 8 by 15 and c is equal to 7 by 10. So we submit in this equation, okay. So if we submit in that equation though it will become a is equal to how much, minus 6 minus 1 by 6 no, 6 into x minus 1, plus b is equal to how much, minus 8 by 5 minus 8 by 15 into x plus 2. I told 5, not 5, 15. So plus c is equal to 7 by 10 into x minus 3. So these values will come. So we have to take integration now. So integration to the both sides. So integration 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 dx is equal to integral minus 1 by 6 1 by x plus 1, sorry, x minus 1, this is this is x minus 1, x minus 1 dx, and here minus 8 by 15 integral 1 by x plus 2 dx, and this is plus 7 by 10 here, integral 1 by x minus 3 into dx will come here, integral 1 by x 1x minus 3 into dx. So here after that what we have to do here, so the integration we have to do minus 1 by 6 into integration will come like this. How much will come here? Log of x minus 1 will come, log of x minus 1. Okay na? So after that this is 8 by 15 into this is log of x plus 2 will come. Okay, now plus 7 by 10 into log of how much will come, log of x minus 3, log of x minus 3 will come, plus c. So this is answer for the given question here. So which one? Third one. This is the one, third one solution. So come like this. Now moving to the next question. Now here fourth question, my dear friends, this is very important here. Solution will come like this. So integral 7x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 whole square given into x plus 2 dx will given here. Okay na? So we have to take 7x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 we have to take is equal to a divided by x minus 1 will take plus uh, b divided by x minus 1 whole square will take plus c divided by x plus 2 will take here. Now cross multiplication same again we have to do x plus x minus 1 into x plus 2 because 1 x plus 1 is there na, so that's why, plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into what will take x even, so x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square will come. So is equal to 7x minus 4 here, 7x minus 4. So what we have to take here again, so x is equal to, first we'll submit x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 we'll submit in this one, it will become 7 into 1 minus 4 is equal to a into it will become 0, so a 0 plus this is also 0 means b also 0 plus uh, so dear students here while taking the LCM, so this will come as this will not come x minus 1 here, so I'm erasing x minus 1, this will not come, only bx plus b into x plus 2 only will come. So here I did mistake here, so this will come as b into x plus 2 no, so in this I will submit 1, so it will become 3, so this is will become 0. Okay na? So 7 into 1 7, 7 minus 4 3 is equal to b into 3 will come here, b into 3. So b is equal to 3 by 3 no, 3 1 ja will cancel, it will become 1, it will become 1. If we do LCM though, these total three things we'll get this only na, so already we have x minus 1 whole square in the denominator, so b only will come as this one, x plus 2 into x plus 2, this one will come. Okay, so I will write neatly here, so this total b, sorry, b into x plus 2 and plus c into 1 minus x whole square will come. So this is, now x is equal to be done here, again x is equal to minus 2 will take, x is equal to minus 2, put x is equal to minus 2 in this equation too. Okay, so it will become 7 into minus 2 and minus 4. Why I'm taking minus, because so we have to cancel these things. Okay, we'll get the c value here, and a into x minus 1 into, so in this place we'll do though it will become 0. Okay, plus b into 0 plus c into 2 no, x is equal to minus 2, so here minus 2 means plus 2 is equal to plus 2 will come whole square. So 7 4 ja 7 2 ja 14, 14 minus 4 is equal to, this will become 0 plus 0. This is how much will come here? 3 3 ja 9. So 9, 9c plus 9c. So this total is equal to minus 18 is equal to 9c. So c is equal to how much will come? C is equal to 9 minus 18 divided by 9 will come. Minus 18 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9 2 ja means c is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. B value we got and C value also we got. C is equal to minus 2. And what we have to find? And A value also we have to find. So put A is equal to here. What we'll take here in this, if we want to get A value though, it will become, there is X value is there? No. If we submit X value though, we'll not get the answer. So what we'll do here, we'll equate the coefficients of X square. Coefficients of X squares. So here where we'll get X square? Here in this we'll get X square, means A will get X square and C also will get X square. In the not B we will not get the X square as a, like in this we don't have X square coefficient, okay, is equal to, in this also we don't have coefficient of X square, it will become 0. So A value or C value, any value we got, C value we got, C is equal to A minus 2 is equal to 0. From this A is equal to 2 we'll get. So we know A value and B value and C value. So we'll submit in the, like this question, and we'll get the answer here. Now here we'll take the total values. So where values? This total values, A is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 2 and B is equal to 1. So this equation we'll submit, okay. So we'll submit this one, so it will become like this come. So here A is equal to how much? 2. 2 divided by x minus 1, and plus B is equal to 1. 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square, plus C divided by, C is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 divided by x plus 2 will come. So where this one question? So if we submit, this is x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 though. So we submit integral though, it will become 7x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 though. In this we'll get integral 2 into 1 by x minus 1 dx plus integral 1 by x minus 1 whole square dx. So here only that will come only here, and after that what will come here again? Here minus 2 into integral of 1 by x plus 2 dx will come here, x plus 2 dx. So what will be the answer here? Integral 1 by 1 minus x is equal to dx is equal to 2 into log of x minus 1 will come here. This take as mod or anything else, so no problem. So here again, what will be the answer here? This already I told in the previous, like previous section, first section 1. So it will become minus 1 by x plus x minus 1 will come here. This is 1. If we do so, so it will become plus derivative integration kare to, so like this will value will come minus 1 divided by x minus 1 will come. Okay, derivation करे तो x square x minus 1 whole square का derivation करे तो ये आता. So यहाँ पे the value will become like this. Here minus 2 into this x plus 2 is will become log of x plus 2 will come plus c. So what will be the answer? 2 into log of mod x plus x minus 1. This is x minus 1, and here this is minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 log of x plus 2 plus c. So this is answer of fourth question. This is fourth question. Now we completed first question here. Okay, end of this first question. Now second question we completed here only, and the third question and started here and completed here. Third question also completed, and the fourth question also completed here. Fourth question, this one. So end of this fourth question. Please do guys share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I will bring more and more videos for you. We'll crack this exam as a 75 marks. 2 be compulsory. We can get to 75 marks when solve problems, examples, and textbook questions. If we all do though perfectly, we can get complete knowledge on this one, and we'll get like a good 75 marks, and it will help you in a MSET exam. Okay, MSET exam and IIT exams also will get compulsory, like best efficiency, like if you do practice more here and too. Okay, now this is up to I conclude here. Thank you guys. This is 60-second section. Okay, now we'll end this one. Thank you guys. Do please do share and subscribe compulsory, please. Thank please, at least, like, I'm putting efforts here to get you more marks. Please share to your friends. Thank you, guys.